Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to It's Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and today we're just doing a birthday stream. So we're gonna chill, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna be here talking crypto in general. But thank you all for being here and being part of this awesome community. Again, if you enjoy the content that we provide here on this channel, make sure you hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? That way you're gonna be notified when we come live. And if you want to chill with us whenever the stream is done, you can join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Going to be pinned at the top of the chat, right? So guys, thank you all for being here again. And yeah, let's move on to that other screen where magical stuff happens. So let's go and switch to that main screen. There we go. Right on. Let's look at the market cap. By the way, cheers, guys. Jason, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. All right, let's get rolling. Where's market cap at, man? Where do we go? Pumped a bit. Got above. Good. It was a fairly good move yesterday. 1.38. Not a lot, but you know, it still got us above that 618, right? That's right here, 1.847 trillion, which again is something that I told you guys we do want to get above. We have to confirm being above this area for us to be able to rally, right? When we broke it here, we came back down again, hit that area, moved sideways, and now we're trying to move up. So we're gonna see how it keeps going, right? Yeah, 38, man, 38. That's like 38 springs, and yeah, it's cool. Almost fourth floor. Anyways, here we go, man, right? I'm leveling up. I'm working two more points to get to level 40. Anyways, again, we are breaking out of this area. We're moving up. And again, that's fine. You know, confirming that we're breaking, it's good. Just not seeing the volume to come with the move. So right now it just looks like we're consolidating sideways, right? So let's go and check out the Bitcoin price at 40,572. Man, did we get above? We barely closed there, man. I think we just barely managed to close here, man. I'm actually gonna zoom in. Barely close above that 40,542, man. Right now going back down a little bit, using it as support. Again, we need to move higher from here. We're coming back into the triangle. Remember I told you guys I don't believe that triangle is a structure anymore because we've just been like, you know, messing around with it. The data is not anchored properly, but I do believe we're anchored properly. I don't think that's the issue. Maybe if I go with the wicks, it will be a little bit different. But I think I'm going with the wicks here and here. So, you know, that's also not it. And that's why I believe that the move we are looking at is on this upsloping channel, right? It's on this upsloping channel. So we'll see how it keeps on holding again. Yesterday we hit it in bounds, right? 2 days ago we hit it in bounds. Today we hit it in bounds. We are trying to stay above this area, right? What's up, Jake? Thank you very much for being here. Cake? Yeah, we still have cake. We have cake from last year, I think. I was looking at it yesterday. That cake from last year, man. I have it here somewhere. I just don't remember how much cake we have left. I know there's cake, though. I don't remember how to use this wallet. So I think it's here. We have from last year, Seamus's. And we got some cake. I think we got 3 slices of this cake and 3 slices of this cake. And Ghost. Which, yeah, cake. Good stuff, man. So, again, just chilling tonight. Drinking some, having fun, taking it easy, right? So let's see what's happening here with Bitcoin. Tripper, what's up, dude? Again, finding support, looking for a small bounce. We're gonna see how that goes, but not expecting to see anything super crazy here, right? We have some hidden divergence, which we know is coming into play and is helping us hold. It's doing its job. Nothing super crazy here. And neutral at 41.84, man. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4 hour, bearishness, right? Bearish divergence moving down. And low to high, negative, positive, low to high, nothing here. That is bullish. And again, it's maybe from the daily that we're moving sideways. But again, we got to get above 40,557. Wow, this playlist is kind of slow. I'm going to look for a different playlist. Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna go here, I guess. I don't think we've used this one in a while, but I need something that's more hyped. That other track was like, tiring. Let's go with this one. Anyways, getting above that 20, good. Getting above 40,542. So not a lot happening here that is bearish, right? Just some hidden bearish that's putting pressure. Here we didn't have anything bullish. We're still rallying with nothing bullish. We also from here to here have nothing bearish. Low, high, or positive. Here on the short-term move, some bearish divergence strong that is starting to develop. And again, something that we have to watch out for, right? So that is the move here, right? On the bearishness. Neutral at 58.39, right? And to have that bearish divergence. So again, action to the downside, we move down once, we're moving down again, we're hitting that support. We are really trying to hold on to that 40,542. It's amazing how good we're trying to hold on to that. We're gonna be coming back to Bitcoin, right, throughout the stream. So it's just chill stream. Super mellow. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Hidden divergence. Still floating in the middle of the channel, almost smack on the middle of the channel. 5,158. Sorry, 5,000. 3,158. And on the lower portion, we have support at 8,891. I really wish it was 5,158. Jeez, that would be awesome. Anyways, 3,158. And below, 2,891. That's it. Not a lot going on. Again, just chilling, moving sideways. Crypto. Trying to gain footing to decide where we want to move next. And I do believe we could still be going for a third leg down, right? Bearish divergence hidden coming in, moving us down below the 20, failing to get above it, neutral at 45.45. And on the 1 hour chart, we have still Jack. So nothing coming in here before, and now we're about a little bit lower than we were back here. Are we going higher, man? No, we're still lower. And here we are coming slightly higher, right? So against the RSI, there's some bearishness. They're starting to develop, but I wouldn't even say it's that much, man, right? Any pop going higher here on the green, right? We're going to be getting rid of it. So for now, I think I'm just going to draw the line. And, yeah, it's actually going sideways. So if we're going sideways here, right, we're looking for some kind of movement where the price is coming lower, and then we'll say yes, there's bearishness, but it isn't. It's going higher, so we're just gonna get rid of this and say, yo, there's no divergence. There's no divergence. It's just chilling. That's it for ETH. I'm gonna sit down, dudes. It's been a long day today. It's a lot of fun. It's been a good day. Took my kid to see Sonic the Hedgehog. That was pretty good. I thought it was gonna be worst. I thought it was gonna be a worse movie, but you know, I was actually kind of surprised of how good it was. It was fun. Plus, I think it's like the second time I ever taken my kid to the movies, so he also had a lot of fun. At least since the pandemic, he's gone to the movies before, but you know, due of his knowledge, and he actually enjoys what he's watching. He's requesting to go see a movie like the second time, and I think he really liked it. So let's keep going through stuff. ADA, 95.7. 95.9. And again, just coming in lower, right? Here we have some of that bearish divergence that we have with Ethereum. But let's go on the daily. Again, nothing, chilling, trying to get above that 95. And we are slightly above 95.3. We're at 95.9. Congrats. Neutral 43.36. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. The 4 hour breaking that line again, short-term bullish, trying to rally. Again, flirting a lot with that line, right? That 95.3. And it's lower and lower still. So nothing here that is bearish. And on the 1 hour, man. Look. We're looking for this divergence here. We actually went higher, I think. So here we actually opened at 98.1, and here we closed at 98.3. So 0.002 cent difference in sideways motion. This also went higher though, so we got rid of whatever divergence we were looking for in ADA. Right? That happened a couple days ago. Coming in lower, more negative momentum and lower still. Here's a move that I was talking about, right? Here we're actually managing to come higher. You guys are gonna be able to spot this here in a second. Coming up higher. And we are moving still here down, right? So we have bearish divergence, right? So we had the possibility for moving down. And that's what we should be looking for, right? That to start putting pressure on the price and try to get us to break back down. And that is just happening right now. But if Bitcoin keeps on going bullish and Bitcoin keeps on rallying, I think we're going to see more action to the upside, right? So hopefully Bitcoin still rallies on Saturday and Sunday, and see where we open, right? Sunday we could undo the gains like we usually do. I'm not going to be live tomorrow. I'm going to try to put a small video. I didn't do a video today. I got really busy throughout the day. So I'll be putting in a video tomorrow, right? Yeah. And but tomorrow no stream. I'm not sure what time I'm gonna be releasing the video. It's probably gonna be earlier than usual. I have lunch at 2, and then I'm gonna have friends over at night. So I know I'm not gonna be able to stream. And then I'm gonna be back again, on Sunday. So we'll see how things go. Anyways, guys, how are things on your end? If you're having a good time, type 1. If you're having an awesome time, type 2. Yeah, good and awesome. That's the only options we have right now. There's no third option. Oh my goodness, there's no options. What do you mean? Why are there no options? Alrighty. Let's keep rolling here. Look at that, trying to go up, right? That means Bitcoin's probably also trying to go up. And we're going to go check and see it. Bitcoin try to rally. Bitcoin try to rally. What? Again, above 40,542. Oh, he's at 1-2. All right. Prepare for war with the combo 1-2-1-2. All right. What else are we gonna do, man? Let's go do X. Oh no, what did I do there? Let's go to XRP. Where XRP at, man? I think you're the only one that's here. No, the other one's here that's actually typing. Probably other people are just busy. XRP at 7968, right? 0.7968. 0.7976. All right. All right. Yeah. So rallying, getting above that 76.33, not bad here in XRP. 79.78 again. Once we broke above this area, rejected at 20 right now, getting above it. Next target is gonna be at 90, right? If we do go up, so try to run the channel to 90.84. That'll be fairly nice. We have that hidden divergence. XRP is really strong. Yesterday it just pumped 8%. That's crazy. Neutral 53.17, right? Let's go here and check 4. Right, the 4-hour chart, bearish divergence strong, starting to come in against the MACD, right? Look at that. This looked good, right? Impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Now we're trying to go for that next move, right? So now we're developing divergence. Bought at 68.45. And thank you very much for being here. And thank you very much for the kind wishes of happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ness. That is awesome. Thank you very much for being here. Let's go here and look at this and say, yo, bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside on the MACD and the hour size. We have it on the day, we have it on the 4 hour, we have it on the 1 hour. Right? That will be telling us that XRP is looking for potential moving down. 20 moving average would be the target, and then above below there 76.33. But again, that is if Bitcoin fails to perform. If Bitcoin keeps on performing, there's no reason why this should stop here right now. This is the first bar of this new island of positive momentum that we're making, so this could go on building as we rally a little bit more and we get that next leg up here, right? On the 4 hour, divergence is within the same island, so we could also try to rally a little bit more and still be below and still have divergence. You know, if we rally really strong, we're gonna get rid of it. For now, it's there. We gotta wait for the next couple candles to confirm, and now we're looking for that confirmation, particularly on the 1 hour, and see how the 1 hour behaves. If we start to get some stagnation, you know, good chance that this divergence is gonna put a lot of pressure and might make us move back down to 20. If we don't, if we just keep on rallying, you know, maybe this divergence is not gonna play as strong. Warbird, not. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Thanks. So. What else? Right, that's it for XRP. Let's go to what are we gonna look at, man? I'm trying to see if there's anything that's just going, like, you know, crazy high. But I don't think I see anything that's going crazy high. That's insane. Yeah, nothing's going like super nuts right now, which kind of sucks, right? Because crypto's just chilling for the most part. I guess shallow. A lot of people used to like this one way back. It's just a weird awkward dot there, but it's rallying 6%, right? It's not bad. Right, I mean, it don't look as bad, but API 3, a lot of people are listening to this one. Look, we're below fifth retracement, and fifths here are rolled. They're like old fifths from here. I'm pretty sure we could do new fibs here and go from high to low, and we're gonna get better results as to where we are at. All right, maybe not that one. This is a valid retrace. This one is a valid high as well. So from high to low, again, no, we're not making a valid retrace. So this would also be a local high, right? You can see that here we recovered. If I were to leave it here and say that this was the bottom, we made a valid recovery above that 236, above the 382, and hit that 50% before we rejected, right? So you can see that this is also valid retrace. So this here would also be a valid local high, and then we just go here to a local low and see how we're doing here on the smaller moves. And on this smaller moves, right, you know, with 236 and rejecting the 382. So interesting to see where API 3 is at. Let's see where this, and some bullish divergence strong is certainly coming in here for the move, right? So this one's not looking bad. This one actually had good technicals, I think, for the move. So it had good technicals. Neutral 45.86 on the 4 hour. Coming in lower again, and yeah. I mean, I guess this is the move, right? This here is the move. Again, bullish. Trying to rally a bit. High to low, and low to high. So yeah. Again, some bearish divergence hidden, starting to develop, and with that we could potentially see some stagnation, maybe sideways motion. And we're getting it right at a resistance level, right? That fib retracement here at that 618. Again, doing its job on the larger fibs, hitting resistance, and could break us back down to that 20 moving average. On the 1 hour chart, let's see here, automatic. Oh, what? That was insane. I hit something by accident. Yo. Forgot to anchor. That was the most insane sneeze you would have ever heard, but I think I muted it right on time, preserving your precious ears from the destruction of my mighty sneeze. I actually shook my, like, you know, my chest, man. It just, like, I'm not sure, guys. Do you ever, like, this ever happens to you? You sneeze so hard that your chest just, like, hurts. Like, it feels like it, like a lot of, like, little prickly things. Like one of those powerful sneezes. Like, probably even the neighbor one, like, what the hell happened, man? You know? It's all good. Oh no, don't go there. Here we go. Oh, what? A bearishness here. Bearish divergence, potential inflection and downside, going down. Again, rejecting of this area, right? That 618 fib retracement. Not bad. Bought at 62.22. Not bad here for API 3. Right. So, Val Video, what's up, dude? Also, Jake said cake, and I had something here for cake, and I forgot to do it. So, here it is, cake. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. And there's the cake. And also, I have another animation I'm running tonight, which is this one. It's a dog that says happy birthday, and then it just goes away. It just goes away. It just goes away. It'd be cool if we could go back and see how many Sundays have the 12 p.m., 3 p.m. pop. Seems everyone nowadays. Yeah, it could either be a pop or a drop, right? File video, and part of the reason for that is market tries to come back to where it left off on Fridays, and that is so we have no gaps on the futures markets. I think that's what's happening. I think that's why we're getting these movements. So if you look at how many times we actually left gaps, they're starting to be reduced significantly. So trading on the weekend, even though it happens, it's just so minuscule. It just tries to basically net out itself against the moves. So, you know, we open up on Monday without any gaps. But yes, I believe that there are moves that are happening on the weekend that are, you know, a little bit awkward. And part of that, and part of what I'm thinking here is that those weekend pops we're getting have no volume behind them also, right? So that's why they get easily undone on the next day. If we pop or drop on Saturday, we might do a bit of a different move. All right. And I mean, to go back and hunt for each one Saturday on you know, just going here through the chart. If you were to tell me this in advance, I would probably check something out. But, you know, just to go back right now and do it, it'll just be kind of weird and take forever, man. So it's something I could probably prepare in advance. RSR in the pain. RSR in the gutter. Look at that. We're looking for a potential cup and handle. The handle broke, but now we shifted our idea the other day into a double bottom, right? And that double bottom seems to kind of actually make sense now. If we zoom in here and you see where we're at here, right? At this here level. Very, very close to the target. Again, hidden bullish of sorts coming into play. We do have, I think, some kind of... No, we don't have breaks. That is hidden bullish. All right. Hidden bullish here. All right. This starts to look a little bit better. Matt Evans, what's up, dude? Kent Stage, want to say happy birthday. And my Tia Rocks, keep at it. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Sorry you can't stay, but thank you for stopping by, man. Much, much appreciated. Neutral at 46.42 again. Going for that small potential pop coming in here. And again, now we're going to actually determine that this could be a bottom, right? I'm not going to give it full power yet as a double bottom, right? And part of the reason for that is we need to break this here neckline at 20.75. Once we break there, it's definitely going to have some impact, and where we could really be looking for a lot of or a very strong movement to the upside, right? So I think that's what we're looking at here. All right, neutral at 46.42. This is the 4-hour chart. Dropping lower, right? Dropping lower here, man. Just anchor this here on the 4-hour and say that, yo, there is this divergence is happening, right? So it is divergence, bullish, strong, initial fraction of the upside, starting to move up a bit, not a lot, just a bit. There we go. All right, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, and that small move. Short term, man, are we having bearish divergence strong? I think we are. And again, this is just short moves for this asset, right? RSR. That move is coming in here. We might try to get rid of it. Right, particularly if Bitcoin keeps rallying, this might try to shake it off by going higher and making more positive momentum. But to right now, when we are live right now at 8:31, it is there to the right now candle. You should want to call them to the previous candle. That'll be the candle here. And even to here, we'll still have it, right? So strong bearish, but like we're saying, we're still rallying, so we're not done with the move yet. here, coming up higher, more positive, and higher still. Bought at 61.31, right? So yeah, I'm saying. BZZ. Bzzz. All right. I don't think we've looked at this, dude. All right, so Swarm on OKX. I think that's where we found it. So we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna go check out the Swarm. The Swarm. It came from the Swarm. Swarm. Right. So yeah. Oh hi, dude. I'm gonna be a little bit more cautious on this one. Reason for that is low to high, right? Negative, more negative, and sorry, positive to negative, and then low to high. So I don't think we have anything here on the daily. I think it's just been going down forever, man. So all right. So can we fib this? Is the fibs gonna do any good? Did we make a valid retrace here? We kind of retraced, but we rejected that to 36. So maybe we could consider this to be the local low still. Yo, Andrew, thank you much for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yes, that is awesome. Thank you for being here. Play a sound just for fun. And then here, we could anchor low to high, right? Low to high. Let's see where we're at with the fibs. I gotta adjust this ones because they're a little bit lower than they should have been, but here we go. And if you look at this again, coming to the top, making a retrace, you at 786, right? So this fibs here on the shorter move make a lot more sense for us to look at. So we come all the way up here, try to come back down, hitting resistance, right? Support, broke it. Now support here. Trying to break it back above that 618 at $1.31, but we're not quite there yet. We're sitting at $1.29. So that's where we're at right now here for Swarm. All right, so let's go to about 4 hours. This better be pumping on bullishness, man. This better be pumping on bullishness, I tell you. I'm kidding. All right, so lower, negative, more negative. There is a small break here. I'm not sure if you want to acknowledge it. As a break, I probably would. Right now, high to low, positive is positive. Low to high, so some hidden bearish, I think we could say here. And that's going to keep on building here, right? So high to low, that's a move. That is a move. Neutral at the F85.07 on the 1 hour chart. Again, high to low. Low to high to low. There's some bearishness here on the MACD, right? On the MACD. So some bearish divergence here. And again, that is just going to put pressure on the price. It's going to make it try to move down a bit more, right? And yeah. Here we go, right? So bearishness. Try to move down there. We're going to see if we go back down to that 20 moving average at 1.26. So we're going to see how this keeps on playing out for BZZ. If we do move down, 20 moving average is going to be a target at $1.26. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. So nothing here that is bullish. Again, bearishness. Nothing that is super bullish here for this asset. So I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure how strong we want to go on this BCZ, right? It's I would say just put in whatever you might be willing to lose, just in case, because this one's not looking super hot. But who knows? It could just be a wild one that just pops for no freaking reason. Right, so yeah, that's it for this one. So what else is in here, man? We haven't checked out Shiv in a while, so let's see if we can do Shiv. I wonder where Shiv at. So shift, bullishness, getting a small pop, not bad. Haven't created anything since, came back down near support, nothing bullish. Nothing bearish. All right, so we're still consolidating at 0.4092,606. On the 4-hour chart, again, look at this. Look at this. Some hidden bearish divergence. Put that pressure, move down, and now we're popping. All right, nothing after that pop. That's good. Bearish divergence developing here on this here 4-hour. All right, and then righty. So bearish divergence strong. Trying to move down, hitting that 20, trying to hold on to it. Now we're breaking it, but not with strength. And then nothing bullish afterwards. So neutral at 53.40. Last we have is bearishness, but it's not moving us down with a lot of strength, right? And on the 1-hour chart, high low, low to negative plus negative. Nothing here, man. It's just chilling. It's just like the whole market is just stagnating. That's it. At least in the 1-hour chart, it would seem that a lot of the market is stagnating to some extent. Bitcoin still trying to move 40,600. Yay. Still trying to move away from that 40,500. We're pulling back down a bit. So Ethereum's about the same still. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, what else are we gonna look at, guys? Let me know. Let me know what else you guys want to check out here on crypto, right? Because we're just chilling. Not a lot of motion happening on the market. Very, very chill stream. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's look at this little macro picture here, man. Again, coming down, trying to find some kind of support, bouncing at that lower portion. And then that 39,650 also held, so I'm kind of glad that we started to play with this idea a couple days ago, right? Also, we knew it was a possibility that, you know, we were in a sloping channel. Now, something that worries me is that macro down sloping channel that I was showing the other day, where it could also play out, right? If you don't know which one it is, I'll show it here in a second. So this one's the one that makes me worry a bit that we could still be going farther down. Elon, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. ERG. Thanks for the kind birthday wishes. Ergo. $4.40. All right. Thomas Live. What's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a long time. Thanks for being here, man. Yes, birthday. There we go. Just making some noises, because why not? Ergo. Oh, man. Ergo below at 236, right? It bounced. Hit at 382, rejecting right now. Still trying to reclaim that zone. Hidden bullish divergence. That's the only thing we have here on the daily. Interesting to see this asset, man. Interesting to see this asset here. Initial at 48.96. That is a hit. Again, hit divergence. Part of the reason that we're holding. Still struggling to get above that 236 at 4.46. If we do again, should be aiming for that 20 moving average at $4.75. Right. All right, and look at this, right? Momentum, last thing, momentum. And here we're coming down lower, so strong bullish divergence, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to upside. Started to go up a bit. That's about it here, man. Again, low to high. Some hidden bearish came in to put pressure on the price immediately as we were trying to break that 20. I think it's part of the reason we're failing at the 20 because we had some kind of bearish divergence, hidden bearish, and again making us stagnate, break below 20, trying to reclaim it right now. So we're gonna see how this keeps going. We need to pop with a lot of strength for us to go higher than the previous positive momentum here, and not have anything bearish. But for now, it's what we have. All right, let's go here, man. What else are we looking at? Bearish divergence hidden here as well. I point to a lower point. And I just keep this one here on the 1 hour. And then from low to high here, right? Look at that. Boom. Hidden bearish. Stagnating. Trying to go higher, but failing for now. So once we go higher, watch out. There could be strong bearish divergence coming in. And that's going to be basically coming up higher here on the price. We're going to start coming in lower here on the MACD. We need to pump with strength for us to try to go higher and then some more, right? So, yeah, neutral 56.96. Trying to look if there's anything that's like worth checking out, but there's really not a lot that is moving. Right? It's just everything's kind of chilling for now, which is fine. Again, it gives us a chance to have an awesome and chill stream, right? An awesome and chill stream. Oh, I gotta switch the headset. All right, now we're definitely coming in higher. Remember what I was talking about? Or I was telling you guys that we're going to come in slightly higher here, right? It's starting to come in lower, so. Watch out, there's that bearish divergence that's starting to develop in our growth. Can we check out Filecoin? Yes, we can. The coin of filing. Wonder if like this is the librarian's coin. We're going to be filing all day long. Get your Dewey Decimal System coin. Oh, is there a coin called Dewey Decimal System? I doubt it. Hidden divergence starting to go sideways. Not a lot here. Breaking that 20. So, you know, since we talked about this, it's just sideways. Oh, good. Neutral 42.88. Nothing cool happening here. Just some weird pennant or flag formation here, which, again, a lot of coins have it, including Bitcoin. I don't like it. It could break down again coming in here. Again, something like this, right? So, but I think we got to wait for it to consolidate a little bit longer. We'll see how it's going to work. 4-hour chart, hidden divergence, no hidden, sorry, strong bullish, moving sideways in that. Fails to drop lower than the previous low. With us, we could be looking for a continuation, trying to break that 20 right now. And some hidden bearish came into play, and that is what we struggled here, right? That's what we struggled. So hidden divergence, and I think this is what we're looking at here. Divergence starting to move sideways now, right? So neutral at 46.93. That means we could go either way. According to our size, perceive as fair value, and that's because we've been trading at this level for quite some time now, and that's why we're very, very close to that 50. Right, so at midpoint. On the 1-hour chart, coming in lower, morning momentum and lower still. So nothing here that is super cool, man. The only thing we have on this last bit is some strong bearish divergence, and again, we got to pump with strength for us to get rid of it. Right? Otherwise, yeah, it's just gonna keep on being here, and it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck majorly if we don't shake this off. And we are bought at 60.14. That's it. That is it, guys. There's really not a lot going on here in the market in general. So we can just keep on chilling and then talking. And, you know, the more you guys chat, the more I chat back, right? Otherwise, it's just me here trying to figure out what to look at. So start typing. When you guys type, it like gives me energy. It's like Goku asking for like a spirit bomb, right? Be like, oh, Earth, give me your power. And then it was like, right. So you guys chat and it like, you know, makes me pick up more steam, I guess. But, you know, chat's been slow. Just market slow in general, too, so. Gonna do something real quick. Gonna bring this one out real quick and see if we. You guys remember this from last year? I'm just gonna spin it, see what it lands, because it's really not a lot going on, man. Market Maker, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. It says viewers drink. All right, so you guys get to drink. That's it. This is gonna hide it again. What about STG? Yeah. Samir, thank you very much for being here, man. You pay taxes for the first time in your life thanks to crypto. That's awesome, dude. Congrats on paying taxes. Yeah, being successful. Iron Hawk, thank you very much for being here, man. Yeah, dude, what else are we gonna look at? Someone said STG, I guess, or GLMR. All right, so have we looked at this before? It sounds like we should have looked at this. We haven't. All right, so we're gonna look at the other one real quick. STG. Also, I haven't looked at this. All right, so two coins we never looked at. So let's go figure out what they're doing, right? I guess STG first actually dropping 1.46. So Golem. Oh, dude, yeah, we could check out Golem. All right, so STG, it's not gonna be fun to chart, I guess, because it's just going back down to almost nothingness, and we're Oh, we're above. All right, we're above ST36. That makes sense. All right, so came back down, back test that zone. Good stuff. So from high to low, we're making a valid recovery. Just not a lot going on here on the daily 4-hour chart. Yo. Thomas Love says, I'm out of crypto. Only 10% of my portfolio. You're having to gold, oil, nickel, and uranium. Yeah, I think you're a smart man. I think you're doing it right. Crypto, it's yeah, I think gold is gonna be performing good, at least for the next short-term future. Oil took a bit of a beating after it reached 130. I think oil's kind of topped out. I was really thinking it was gonna go to around 150, but I don't think we're gonna have it in the tank, particularly with things cooling off a little bit as far as sanctions. And nickel, I think it's fine, and uranium, I think it's gonna be fine as well. Yo, man, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. I know you're out of town. You told me you put on the Discord, but thanks, man. I appreciate it, and thank you for stopping by. Enjoy your time out of town. Yeah. If you had the capital, you're investing gold. You can buy gold company stocks, and it should perform more or less just like gold should. So if you buy companies that are heavy gold producers, you would be getting some kind of exposure to gold without buying the actual assets. So that's a way you can get exposed to gold without buying gold, at least while you build up your size, right? So you can actually buy gold. And all right, so bearish divergence here, strong potential for moving down, maybe aiming for that 20 moving average at 2.21. But for now, again, we have not gotten the confirmation that we're moving south. Just started to, right? So again, we're gonna wait for this to develop a little bit more, but the bearishness is there. Neutral 58.69. Let's go to that 1 hour. On the 1 hour, going higher and higher and higher still. So even here in the short term, right? Look at this, boom. Here we go. Bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence everywhere. Bottom 62.28. So bearish divergence starting to move down. Are we gonna go to the 20? It doesn't look like it wants to go to the 20. It just moves sideways for now. So it seems to be going somewhat bullish, right? Somewhat bullish since April 11th. So I'm not gonna bet against it for now. Just say that there's bearish divergence. There's a chance we could go down, but the short-term trend is sort of bullish. You know, here again, see what I'm talking about. We would need to break this support line here for us to say we're going bearish. And I think we're kind of far away from it for now. So, you know, looking at the larger pictures here, moving down, and then you could also say the move here is a rising wedge, right? So rising wedges tend to break down. That should be a bearish indicator as well. But this asset doesn't have a lot of history. Doesn't have a lot of trading history. So what we're looking at is, trying to infer where it could go. And again, it's just been trading since, March 25th. So not a lot of history being traded here for this asset, right? So let's go and check out the other coin was Golem. All right, let's check out Golem. One of my buddies used to be heavy into Golem, and then he got out of it because he lost a lot of dough. I think Golem was one of those weird projects. I'm not sure when he got in, but I know he was hurting for a long time. Dude, thank you for being here, Market Maker. And Quantum, all right, we'll check it in a second. Golem, bearishness. All right, so strong bearish came in, moved the market down, making us drop a bit. All right, that's the name of the game, man. Do we have divergence or not? And we do. Bearish divergence strong, potential fraction of downside against the MACD. Against the RSI, we're starting to move down. The LMR. All right, cool. I'll do that one in a second. Someone said Golem, so I'm taking advantage of it right now. So again, bearish divergence moving down right now. Nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 40.51. I'm trying to see if there's gonna be divergence from this low point here on April the 6th till the 11th. I think there could be some bullish divergence there. Yep. Let's see, April the 6th to the 11th, right there, right? So bullish divergence strong. Potential for action to the upside. Sometimes it's just, not always, right? But sometimes it's kind of easy to see when you look at this and you start to see that we rally and you don't find anything. Like, the movement from here, it would seem that it would have divergence on a shorter time scale. So we're getting that move and we're starting to get that pop, right? And again, from here, or whatever this high point is to the low point, hidden bearish divergence, and that is putting pressure on the price. And I think that's why the bullish divergence is getting stopped out, right? And it's failing to perform higher. See that reversal hit the 20, and we're struggling with this area, right? We have strong bullish, but that hidden bearish again is doing its job. Neutral 47.85. Nothing else happening here, right? So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I don't think we're gonna find a lot. Maybe is this bullish divergence here? Yeah, some strong bullish divergence. This is barely there. It's just barely there, brothers. What? I'll tell you what, brother. Wasn't that Hulk Hogan? Bullish divergence, medium action to the strong action to the upside, starting to get that pop. But dude, do we have divergence here that's hidden bearish? It looks like we could have some hidden bearish. I want to wait. I don't think it's easy to see, and there's some weird quirky moves here. If I assume you're going to see them, right? At least there's a break here, and that would be some hidden divergence. That would definitely be putting pressure on the price, but yeah, I'm not sure if that's going to be what's going to cause it to move down. We're still stagnating, right? So 43 cents, control at for 9.99, right? But it is there, man. That's why I was struggling to see if we're going to be calling it from back here. But I do believe that it's doing its job at putting pressure. Bullish divergence is failing to play out. So something's going to give, right? Either we're going to lose on that bullishness, or that strong bullish is really going to come in and make this market move up, and then we might see some gains. But for now, again, it's just somewhat stagnating. Not getting the cleanest and coolest read on the market here for this assets, right? So above the 50% retrace, which is good. So even if we drop, we're still going to try to hold support there. Good stuff here, man. Right, so yeah. All right, then it was GLMR, and then Quantum, right? So I'm gonna go here on Binance for this one and see where it's at, right? GLMR on the daily. Nothing here that is bearish. Also not seeing anything here that is bullish. Man, are fibs gonna make sense for this? That wick throws everything off, right? That first wick throws everything off, man. I wish I could just rule it out. And I think if I just go here, it's going to rule it out. And here we go, right? Getting a valid retrace, hitting that 236, but failing to break above it, right? I don't have a lot to chug, dude. There's just this left. I do have enough, I guess, to prepare myself another one. A small stack of XRP. Dealy would be a realistic top if they win. What do I believe is going to be a real... Dude, that is such a weird question. I'll get back to it. Let me finish Glimmer. Or GLMR, whatever this is. I'm not seeing anything here, man. So let's go to that 4 hour. Yeah, see, more the chat's somewhat like zombified. It's just kind of chill. It's also like a weird time, right? Like if you're like Catholic, you're probably celebrating Easter. So I'm Catholic, I'm celebrating Easter, so I'm off, you know, for the last 2 days from work. So I believe that a lot of people are also, particularly here in Europe, they're probably off for holidays, and that's why it's just kind of like semi-dead. Semi-dead in the chat. Some medium bearish divergence. Right, bearish divergence, potential fraction downside might go down to a 20 moving average. Neutral 54.89 again. Some bearishness, medium. Let's go here, man. Yeah, nothing here that is super bearish. Also nothing here that is bullish. Last thing we had, hidden bullish. Look at that, hidden bullish divergence. And doing his job by helping us rally a bit, right? That is it. I mean, like I said, not really a lot on the markets. It's just, they're kind of chill. Hidden bullish rally, sideways motion, good stuff. Nothing bearish coming in here. Low, high, more positive, and higher still. There's a break here, right? That's why we're not anchoring from back here to call anything. But even then, I don't think we have anything else to call. So that is for GLMR. Up next, Quantum. Jake said something. I'm not sure what that is. Cake, lollipop, lolly cake. I'm not sure, Jake. I'm kind of lost with that one. Look at the cake. Surely lollipop. Laughing and moving sideways. Have no clue. I suck at reading emojis, man. I didn't go to emoji school, man. I wasn't taught how to read emojis. All right, so let's do this one, and we can talk about XRP after I finish GLMR. Sorry, not GLMR. Which one was it we were looking for here? Quantum. So on the larger scales, we are above that 786. And just for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this extending to the right. I just want to get different fibs coming in here. And I want the top here and the bottom here and see if it makes sense. So look at this as a local top and a local bottom and see where we're at. So if this is the case, we are below at 236, right? There's really not a lot going on here. I'm just gonna re-extend the fibs and see what's up, man. All right, let's zoom in here. What is this? 281, 27, so slightly less. So we are coming up higher, right? And we are definitely making less of this positive momentum. And with that, we are developing bearish divergence strong. Moving down on that, hidden bullish divergence starting to come in to help us hold and then pop a bit. So that's pretty good. Right now, pumping 7.92. That's pretty good, man. That's a pretty good rally right now in Quantum. All right. So again, potential fraction to upside. Maybe going for a 20. Well, first target would have been here at 26. We broke it now. So heading for the 20 moving average at 7.47. 4-hour chart, bullish divergence strong, right? Bullish divergence strong for potential action to the upside. And we are getting that moving up. Again, coming with divergence. So it's not pumping on its own. It has technicals. It's good. That's a solid move. Basically, when we find stuff that explains why we're going to get the moves, they have so much more power. And right now, again, we're going bullish, so take this one with a grain of salt for now. But again, there's some bearish divergence strong for a potential movement down. 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart, again, coming up higher, more positive and higher still. Last thing we had here, hidden bearish. Sorry, not hidden bearish, hidden bullish. And that hidden bullish helping us rally a bit. So yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff here on this asset. But, you know, just for pumping on hidden bullish, it's a lot. There's probably something else going on here that is helping this coin rally with so much strength. Where's my glass? I had a tiny glass that I brought with me, and I placed it somewhere on the desk. And I maybe left it outside. I'm not sure. I was almost certain that I brought a glass. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Right, one quick second. I'm gonna go to the old be right back screen. Alright, we're back. Sorry about the old screen, but you know, I don't have a be right back screen for this one. Everyone drinks. Yeah, I know, that's where it landed. The last time we spun. Ah, man. Actually, what applies is where, you know, where the Seamus beard's at. So Seamus beard, the pointy portion of Seamus beard is right on viewer string. Right. So that his like little pointy portion spiky thing, that's where we agreed last time that, you know, was gonna be our target for for drinks. So yeah, that spiky pointy beard, it's where it's at. It's where the magic's at. Yeah. So now let's go to the quintessential question. Where's XRP going to go? For that, we need to go look at XRP. And we're going to go on a larger scale. So, XRP's top was over here, right? At, you know, was it $3.31? So, I would say, you know, if you're just going with, you know, what the lawsuit could bring, and then if it's, you know, not considered a security and we could be going for a rally, then yes, by all means, we could be going to all-time highs and then some. But, you know, if XRP lawsuit, you know, comes clean and you know, they win, but we're in a bear market and Bitcoin is dropping, you know, that's also going to have an effect on how people view XRP and the rest of the market, right? We might not be getting that move with a lot of strength. It could be, you know, that if there's overall bearishness coming in, we could certainly see the market not perform to its full potential. So the XRP rally could be kind of stunned. So could it go up there? Yeah, it could go up there for sure. Yeah, I think it's a valid target. It's an area we've been at before, so yeah. I mean, it all is going to come down to the SEC lawsuit, right? And whatever happens there. Right now, hitting that 20 and rejecting slightly. Still have 21 hours to go, so a long time for the market. I guess Bitcoin starting to turn red slightly after we went green on the last candle, but you know, on the daily we're turning red. That means the 1 hour is certainly not performing as well. We're still at support at 40,546, and it kind of sucks. Really wish it was doing better. But we are at the middle of the month, and you know, a lot of people are saying April's the bullishest month in the world. We're above the 20, which is good. and hitting that 20 pop. Martin, what's your favorite D&D genre game, old school or new? Oh, jeez. Like Dungeons and Dragons D&D? I played D&D when I was in college. So I guess the regular one. I wasn't sure there was like, different Dungeons and Dragons games. There's the one where you have your character sheet and you roll for stuff, and then you go through story mode where people are telling you what's happening, and you start rolling for stuff like, oh yeah, roll for search, roll for listening skills or whatever. Like video game. I haven't really played a lot of video games lately, man. It's not Dungeons and Dragons though, but I liked Days Gone. I think that's the last one I played. That's the last one I played. There's one called Gloomhaven that's supposed to be pretty good. I haven't had a chance to sit down and play it. But I heard a lot of good things about that. It's so good that it actually got an expansion called Frosthaven. Dude, a lot of the games that I play, I want to get into. It's not a D&D game, but there's one called Marvel Infinite Protocol or whatever, Crisis Protocol, Marvel Crisis Protocol, I think is the name, and I think that one's pretty good. I'll try to get into that, and then Zombicide is pretty good. I like that one. Zombicide I definitely enjoy playing. It's a tabletop game. I think those are some of the ones that I kind of like the best. Used to play D&D, paper, pen, and a die back in the 80s. Yo, yeah. I didn't play in the 80s. I played in the 2002s, 2008 range. I still have a lot of my die from back then. None of my character sheets are what. I'm not sure where they're at, but it was pretty good, man. I like playing that game. I always wish I could be a DM, because then I could run my own campaigns, but I suck at that. So, and here I haven't found anyone to play D&D with, right? You're a 48-year-old. Oh, you got 10 years to me. Yeah. I think I played 3rd edition when I was in college. Probably. I'm not sure how old 3rd edition is, but I'm not sure what edition they're at right now, but I'm actually researching that. 3rd edition was on 2000, and then 3.5 was in 2003. So I'm not sure if I played 3rd or 3.5, but it was somewhere there. Not the first one, not the second one. I know we were playing probably 3rd edition. So yeah, 3rd edition sounds about right. And I also played the DDO, Dungeons and Dragons Online, when it came out. Oh, they're on 5th edition. That is okay, cool. I wish there was a way to play that though. Online. There probably is. I just haven't really researched for it. We could do an online group. Yeah. The only thing about that is you really gotta like commit time to play and sit and run through stuff. So, and then if someone from the party's not there, you're just kind of screwed because like the story mode doesn't really go as well. But yeah, it takes time commitment to sit down and do it, and then everyone has to have the same commitment towards it. Otherwise, it just starts to die out. But yeah, we could do something that'll be fun. I'm not sure if there's like a campaign running thing or with maps, and I've seen people play with like cool like maps now and having their characters, be little statues or something like that, like the ones I have here. But this one's are from like another game. But I'm painting little things. I'm painting, right? A lot of games I used to play, man. Stop playing. Yeah, I think tomorrow we're gonna be playing tabletop games for sure. You want to drop 300 kilometers to play D&D with a friend, only have your favorite level 9 fighter get killed in the first encounter by a random spider. Oh, that sucks, man. Did you have no swords? Did you get jumped or what happened? That kind of sucks, man. Like, oh, I have a level 9 character. Oh, dead by spider. Jeez, that's not cool. Yo, CBA, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Ichi Kichi. What the hell's an Ichi? Can you look at the Ichi? Ichi. It's taking a massive drop on the monthly. Even on the daily. What? 87%. Did this thing get rug pulled? I'm not sure. How old is this? 2000. All right, 2021 December. All right, so about a year and change. Wow, that's insane how much it dropped. Yeah. Where was that priest or monk or cleric to, save you? They should have at least had a resurrection scroll or whatever to bring you back to life instead of rolling a new character sheet. That sucks. That's like the worst thing ever. Wow, that reflex sucked. No modifiers, that's insane. Lower, more negative. Obviously nothing here. Oversold. Sold. 35.87. I mean, wow, this really took on a lot of pain. Even fifths are not going to do us any good because we're just coming back down to, almost zero. So not a lot here. Andrew, is there a reason why this dropped? Do you know the story? I mean, it just doesn't look too good, man. I wouldn't be touching this with a 10-foot pole. Lower, more negative, lower still. Nothing bullish, right? Nothing bearish. Just kind of chilling sideways. The reason I wouldn't touch it, it just took an 80+% drop. I'm not even sure why. So I'm not up to date with this project, but it just doesn't look good. Look, even here. Even here. I'm actually going to do this in log scale and hide the boundary bands because it just looks so bad. But, even here, we're coming up higher, right? And it definitely dropping a lot. Like, there's divergence. Not here so much. From here, even we would be able to track it all the way back here. Say, yo, look, we're going higher. And we're still coming lower. So bearish divergence, strong action to downside. And really, I don't think we have anything bullish to say we're going to rally, right? Low, high, neutral at that 43.45. I mean, Andrew, I would not be getting into this. I would actually be looking for something different. I mean, it's up to you, your play, but I would not be. I would not be looking at this as a potential good play. I mean, if you're putting something that doesn't bother you, you're looking for a potential rally, maybe, but reaction rally. But we're not getting it yet. It's just, I'm not even sure why it dropped. It's just tanking. Back to the corn. Slightly on the negative, and it's dragging Ethereum down with it. Yeah. Yeah, no worries, Andrew, man. Much appreciated. Oh shit, I dropped something. And then what do I have here, man? I think everything that I have here I played. Tokaido's pretty good, but that's not like video. Dixit, Alhambra. I have a lot of tabletop games, but not many that are like D&D like. So yeah, I need to get some dungeon crawler games. I have Warhammer. I think that's the latest thing I got into. Again, Marvel, Crisis Protocol. That one's supposed to be pretty good. I'm trying to get a good picture here of the game. Come on, I just want to make that. Yeah. Right. So like this is the game. It has like terrain and minis, and you have like missions and stuff you gotta do, and you know the minis come unpainted, so you have to actually snip them, glue them together, and paint them. So yeah, it has some like good aspects to it, and I think that's one of the games that I kind of want to get into to some extent. Hero Quest is awesome for tabletops. All right, I don't think I've played that. I don't think I have a chance to play that. Yeah. I need to get more. I need to get something else to drink. I'm out of juice. I'm out of mana. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I gotta get some ice and pour myself another drink. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Thank you guys for waiting. Yeah, pour myself another whiskey and coke. And yeah, Skyrim is fun. Skyrim's a good game. I played it a while back. I think I had it for PS4 and or PS3. I don't remember. But I stopped playing. Not sure. It turned boring after a while. Yeah. It was a good game though. I like Days Gone. I think that's the one I played the most lately. I have a lot of games. I just don't have time to play. So I have Witcher 3. I never played it. I have Dragon Ball Z, Kakarot. I played very little of it, so not enough to get my character leveled up. And probably if I start to play again, I have to go through a tutorial because I forgot everything. I got Mortal Kombat 11. Haven't had a chance to play it. I got, Age of Empires 4. Bought it. Haven't had a chance to sit down and play it. So yeah, it's weird. Check out the Discord for Hero Quest. Yeah, check it out. Let me open it here. I'm gonna open it here at the side first, and then I'll bring it in. All right. Oh, looks fairly good. This is Hero Quest. All right. Dude, awesome. It has minis. That's pretty cool. Stuff I can paint. The Witch Lord. All right. Be interesting to see how this is played, but it looks pretty good so far. I just buy the quest packs separately, I guess. That's pretty good. All right, and then the dies are kind of cool. They're unique. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, looks good, man. I'm gonna check it out here still after the stream. But it looks like something, yeah, I could definitely see myself getting into. Again, guys, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Send you my... Yeah, sure. Give me 1 second. Free valet. All right. Waiting for it to open. So while that happens, yeah, there we go. Free wallet. I don't think I have any. I've never used this jig. I just opened it and I haven't really had a chance to sit down and play with it. So I have to figure out where my wallet is. Have to give me a second. Where is this thing? It bounces. Bitcoin. Like, yeah, I have not played around with this at all. So, gonna have to guide me through here, man. Yeah, we can do it in the we can do it in voice chat, and I guess I want to go into voice chat general, and then you can be telling me like where to go because I'm like kind of lost. So this is what I have. It just says, oh, total supply of Bitcoin, but I'm not even sure if I should have, like, do I need to create a wallet? I guess. Let's try and figure this one out. All right, now this is Bitcoin. All right, where's my wallets? Top right. All right. Here we go. View addresses. View addresses. Tom, dude, thank you very much for being here, man. You gonna go visit your daughter? That's awesome, dude. Thanks for yeah. Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for being here. What's up, Jake? No, I don't think they can hear you. Yeah, I got it. All right, I'll say that. There we go. Haven't had a lot of time to sit down and play with this, but I need to. All right, sit down. I'll send you that. That looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna mute myself here so you can't, like, hear me twice, I guess. I'll just turn back on to chat. All right. By the way, guys, if you think I'm talking to myself, I'm actually talking to Jake. He's here on the side. On voice chat. Oh, no, I dropped some. That's pretty good. Oh, man. Whiskey and Coke, guys. Oh, that's where it's at. have a small birthday cakey thing. It's not a cake, it's actually a candy. I'm gonna eat it here live. Oh no, it's kind of broken. That sucks. It's busted. Alright, cool. Small chocolate birthday pseudo cake. Ooh. I'm just chilling. Really coolest stream ever, man. Just chilling here. It's pretty good. Oh, look at Bitcoin trying to go. Go, Bitcoin. Who can do it? Really need to get away from this area and try to rally more. Otherwise, the Bitcoin's going to be doomed. Yeah. So, how long did things take to pop up here, Jake? Oh. Okay, cool. Okay. That's awesome. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you remember, we talked about this thing that Jake has going on with the counterport, which is where you can be verified by having one of these wallets that's called Free Wallet. And you make a small transaction, I guess, or something, and then you can be verified afterwards. Yeah. Yeah, you broadcast an alphanumeric that the bot sends you, and then you're basically verified on any server that runs with that. And again, it's a brand new project. So you guys want to go check it out, talk to Jake. He's on our Discord, Bitcoin Jake 09, or GitHub Jake 09 on Twitter. You guys can talk to him there as well. And you know, you can go check out his project, and I think it's gonna be interesting because you know, it could be what, you know, we used to verify later on. And like Jake was saying, you know, I don't think anyone with bots is gonna be going around making transactions just so they can you know, get verified on servers. So it's gonna, you know, it's certainly a better deterrent. Yeah. Yeah, and like Jake was saying, telling me here on the side, even if they do pay for the bots to come in and they you know, we get them kicked out, they're gonna have to, like, you know, get another wallet and another bot to basically have to go through the whole process, and they're not gonna be paying money to try to get verified. Which again, is fairly valid argument there. I want to see what this Pika Peppa shoes are, man. I saw someone talking about them on another one. Yeah. All right. I'm waiting for Jake to send me something here. And here we go. All right. I think they're these things. Pika Peppa Chew. All right. A Pepamon. All right. Versus fun. All right. Flip one coin. All right. The flip one coin for every FUD article in the news today. Attack does 10 damage once it recurs. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what you do, it's just gonna do 10 damage. Yeah. The old damage just taking damage last round. Alright, cool. It's pretty good. It has 30 HP. Are you gonna actually be able to battle with this, Jake? Alright, so it's just like a cool, quirky card. Alright. That's awesome. It's cool that you can have NFTs on Bitcoin. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. Jake was telling me that's been on Bitcoin since before Ethereum had NFTs. That's pretty cool. So, let's go see Ethereum real quick. Again, it's just also chilling. Trying to go a possum. Still 115% to the upside. Yay, Ethereum, but we're not really doing a lot yet. So again, it's just a chill day, guys. It's just a chill day for crypto. That's what we're just taking a very, very chill stream here. Very, very chill stream. Yeah. All right, let's keep looking at this. Sorry, I'm moving stuff around here on the desk, and here we go with this. Little dog. I was like looking for some quirky animation just to put in tonight for the stream. That's it. Such a chill day, man. I'm gonna be calling it a stream here shortly, mainly because I got a lot of stuff I gotta do tomorrow. But thank you guys for being here and chilling out with me, trying out some So Crypto stream. Log updated 3 minutes. All right. Are those things gonna appear here somehow, Jake? Or all right. Yeah, it's cool. No worries. I was wondering like how they were gonna show up, but all right. And Free Wallet is the app that you use to get all these things. All right, so you guys can make sure you download it. Get it. Yeah. $10 Pika Pepechu. That's a lot. Can you merge them into like a Ria Pika Pepechu or whatever the Riachu second one? All right. All right. It's awesome. Any of you? Well, yeah. First, I gotta wait for them to arrive, I guess. So we probably can give them away on Sunday stream. Not sure how long this is gonna take to arrive, but we can chill live for a bit. All right. All right. Are they here still? All right, cool. So I'm gonna wait for this Pika Pepechus to arrive, and if any of you guys have Free Wallet, we can probably distribute some. I'm not sure, but we're probably gonna distribute them on Sunday though. Yeah. All right, cool. That says log out. Oh, top left. All right, cool. Oh, my other left. Sorry, guys. Yeah. No. I just refresh with nothing showing here. All right, yeah. Tempe came up picture. I see them now. They finally arrived and landed. And so, does anyone have Free Wallet here on the live stream? Let me know, guys. Let me know if you have Free Wallet. And then we'll yeah, all right. The counterparty Free Wallet. But I need to have like Bitcoin there so I can do a transaction, right? So do I need to have Bitcoin there so I can do a transaction, Jake? Oh, doing rogue. All right. So I'm not sure because I haven't used a wallet. So the only thing I can say is that I need to use a wallet or get some money into the wallet, I guess, so I can do transactions. I think they're at least transaction fees because I downloaded it, but I haven't really been playing a lot with it, so gotta wait for it to something happen. That's what I was saying. Maybe on Sunday we do give away one of these small Pika Pepe shoes. Or yeah. the question was, do I need to have funds so I can do transactions? And I think I do, right? I haven't sent money. Alright, so I haven't sent any actual dough to this account. I need to send some Bitcoin to it. So yeah, we're probably gonna have to do a giveaway on either Sunday or Monday or whenever I have a chance to transfer money into this wallet. So yeah, probably send you something. All right, I don't think I've seen that project. Pepimon.net. Oh yeah, I can check it out here. So Pepimons. All right. Peppy monkfish. This is not monkfish. This is like a, what do they call it? Like the something fisher. What's there? Pepidax. All right. Oh wow, that's a lot of them. Mute Toshi. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. I like that one. Bazor. Dodgy Lawn. All right. Caterpeppy. Peppy to what the hell? Some of those are pretty weird, man. Pterodactyl. Alright, so I'm gonna have to check some of these out, guys. This looks pretty cool. Let's go back to the corn, man. I think you don't do anything, they just chill there, man. I'm not even sure how old the project is. How old's the project, Jake? Still active. All right. So I'm trying to figure out like how old this thing is. It's just a project. At some Bitcoin. Pepimons. All right. So we're gonna be calling it a stream for tonight, guys. Jake, thank you very much for the kind Pepimons, I guess. I'm gonna try to give some away on next stream. Or the next stream or whenever I'm able to transfer funds here to the free wallet. So, guys, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I had a lot of fun being here. I enjoyed being here, just chilling, relaxing, having drinks. Thank you all for stopping by and saying what? Jake, that makes no sense. 717,000 months ago? What? Oh, 3 months ago. All right, now that makes sense now. All right. So it's kind of okay. So it's quite new. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna be calling it a stream. There's stuff I gotta do tomorrow, and I gotta go with the wife and chill for a bit and figure out what else we need to get together for tomorrow's event. So thank you for joining me tonight. Again, I had a blast. I had an awesome time just sitting here and chilling. And chatting with you guys. Thanks for the kind wishes for a happy birthday. And I'm not streaming tomorrow, Steve. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm not streaming on Saturday. Yeah. So thank you for watching again. You remember all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what we see here. We're just discussing ideas. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for being here. And again, yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, Sunday. I'll catch you Sunday. Until then.